pair of shoes requires many different materials. Apart from these visible upper materials, there are more materials inside. You may not see, but they are very important. We offer non-woven materials to shoe business, not just straw ball and false tape, but also innovating non-woven uppers. Our Spunbond products are really unique. They are produced with a recycled content up to 100%, and they are recyclable too. We have a zero waste production, and we also have our tech bag program. Our recycling system enables us to granulate and reprocess waste materials from our partners, achieving a closed-loop target. Currently, we have successfully recycled materials from India, Indonesia, and Vietnam. And those products made of these recycled waste materials can also meet GIS certification standards. We would like to support our customers to stay up and join our sustainable journey. Let's innovate together.